Hi, this is Anil, your instructor, and welcome to the Introduction to PHP series. Did you guys need jobs in computer science and not able to create the website, how you create the website and how you can sell the website? So this course is for them who just need to create your own website with the applications, not just a designing part. We're just going to discuss here a development part. So to start this course, you just need a basics knowledge in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Also, this course is for who are looking for good jobs or some experience in PHP and who need to have basics knowledge in MySQL. So in the course we are going to cover the basics part in PHP, that is the syntax, comments in PHP, variables, echo print like that, strings and data types and much more. Also the upload file, how you can upload the files to the server, and filter includes in the advanced part of PHP, and after completing these you will become the experts in PHP, and there are lots of companies who need the PHP developers in higher cost, that is the 60 to 120 dollars per hour. Also we are covering the basics of MySQL in this course, which help you to create $1 million websites like this. So as you can check the website, in this website there are many functions, like you can see these buttons and you can see the search bar. Also you can see the cart. When I click the cart, it shows your cart is empty. So how these comes from, these are the basics and the parts of MySQL, also PHP and MySQL. So the search one, the cart one, these are the MySQL and the basics PHP part. Also you can see the images and the images here and the banners. These comes from the MySQL when MySQL call using PHP. These are the parts of both combinations of MySQL and PHP. So we are just see the basics and advanced part. After you complete this course, you are eligible and you can create your own website like this. You can create the powerful website and you can also sell the website in higher cost. So these are the basics and advantages of learning PHP and the MySQL. So let's get started with the syntax part in the next video.